Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hearing leads to reading and glorification, which leads to preaching and perfecting. God is making sure to prove himself as superior in all good and true ways. Spreading good consciousness is something that can spread to an unexpected degree. Not all creatures are equal. There are spiritual things that give off the different aspects from the same. The plants will give of different plant matter, and the stones will transform something into any mineral or transform substances. Talking about what's called the touchstone. When God is to be made known, it will not be of him being known alone, nor impersonally. All material things can be brought upon the same spiritual platform. Don't expect a change right before death if you don't work for it when death doesn't seem near. The final spiritual rewards are beyond anxiety and loss. Our beliefs need to be beyond the modes, but we need to operate them upon such transcendent principles. Life is wasted outside of trying to maintain right understanding and right action. The material nature will teach those the results beyond spirituality. We are means for action. Give up the push to mere color and other variety to take on the color of God. There's a difference between the baptism of humanity or of sects or of something else and the baptism of God. Ignoring cause and an artificial sense of independence leads away from spiritual consciousness. Divine essence is eternal, but some aspects of divine personality is seen as changing. Recognition is needed in certain areas. Elements all act upon us, but we can get beyond physical and psychological function, being the end-all. A God must be free of illusion and delusion, but they are under his control. Not just they're not really accepting it, right? Tate nirikshona perape dehakard daksho mamadvit tadanuvratas chayeyo visvasrg yajna gatam varurumam angasham durvachasa karot terah. For that reason, you're not to be seen by your father, although he's the giver of your body. O Daksha. I'm envious of his followers. Also, who of the Vishvasruks, being present at the sacrifice, O Sati, I'm innocent. With cruel words, he's insulted me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.